Hi everybody. Well, here's a small container of Sta-put plumber's putty that was purchased at Home Depot back in the late 1990s. So I was going to go use this the other day to work on a sink, and when I found this container, I noticed that the lid was cracked. And of course, when I took the lid off and looked inside, this material looks less than ready to go. So let's see what happens to plumber's putty when it's been exposed to air for 20 years. Oof. Oh, it's really sticky and pretty dried out. Although I gotta say, it looks like if you just work the material, that it would come back and you'd be able to use it again. Maybe it would be a good idea to scrape off this top layer and get down to the good material that's underneath. There we go. Ooh, boy. Yeah, no, this stuff is really hard. It kind of feels like clay, almost. Yeah, it's pretty dry inside, and it seems to be coming apart. Rather strange. Definitely not like new putty does. Oh boy. So it might still work, but I'm definitely not going to take a chance. New containers of putty are pretty cheap at Home Depot and Lowe's. And that's where I'm going to go to get new putty. This stuff is not so cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.